Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how we prep for a typical floor staining process in a home remodel. As you can see, everything is taped up and the space is cleared of any clutter because the dust created can and will stick to everything. Our guys are wearing masks and earmuffs to keep them safe and to stop them from breathing in all the dust. We first get started by sanding down where the wall and floor meet, the grills or vent coverings, and any other small space that is just tricky to get to with a bigger sanding tool. The sanding tool changes with each area that we sand, and it's recommended that you sand down the flooring about 1/8 of an inch before applying the stain. Floors can be refinished around 7 to 10 times before needing to be replaced, so staining your floors is a really good method of sprucing up your home on a budget. For this project, we're using a water-based stain that dries quickly and doesn't have any harmful odors. Now we just have to wipe down any remaining dust before we apply the thin layer of stain and finish, and these floors are ready for their makeover.